Hi, I'm Nick Brown with Illinois Extension, and today we are making herb tomato salad.
Ingredients: 6 ripe tomatoes, an eighth teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoons of fresh or half teaspoon of dry basil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Preparation: wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub tomatoes under cool running water. Slice unpeeled tomatoes. Mix lightly with remaining ingredients. Chill until served.
Herb tomato salad. Enjoy, it makes for a great picnic snack.